Good morning, my dear students. Now in this lesson number 2, the data representation lesson. In this lesson I have discussed with you with the help of some videos character string representation, ASCII code, ISCII code and Unicode. And in the last video I hope it was clear to you all. Now today I am going to discuss theoretically, not solving any numericals with you today. I will discuss this theoretically UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-32. What is UTF? This is the encoding system Unicode transformation format. UTF means Unicode transformation format. So what is the meaning of this UTF? When we are representing any character in a computer's memory, it stores some memory in it. UTF-8 is a variable length memory system. In this, whatever the size of that particular character or bit or for that particular message, that much memory will be stored only, and rest of the memory will be freed out. But in UTF-16 and in UTF-32, this was not present. It is the fixed length memory encoding system. In this, whatever the data you are giving, that will acquire the fixed length of memory. So this is the difference between UTF-8 and UTF-32. Basically, up to 4th level, UTF-8 is sufficient enough to represent all the characters which we are using, and it is present up to 6th level, but UTF-8 up to 4th level, it is capable to represent all the characters. This you have to remember. Up to 6th level, if we are representing, that you can do also, but we are not having that much length of string or that much length of message or encoding system to represent. Our computer is capable enough to represent everything up to the 4th level. Now in this UTF-8, now you can read your book also. UTF-8 is a variable width encoding that can represent every character in the Unicode character set. In other words, it can encode each of the 114, 112 code points in the Unicode character set. Means whatever the code points 1,11,000 sorry 1 lakh 1 10 lakh 1000 and 412, this we can say that all the code points are represented with the Unicode system properly. Now in this, this is the variable length, and this you must know that whatever the length of your message is there, that will be acquired only, and the memories which is left behind, that will be left, that will not be used. The code unit of UTF-8 is 8 bit. Its code unit is of 8 bit. Code unit is of 8 bit, and it's called octet. If we are representing anything in 8 bit, then it is called octet. Octet means 8. Now UTF-8 can use 1 to maximum 6 octet to represent code. Already I have said 6 octets are present, but 6 levels are not required. Up to 4 level, it is enough to represent the character set. Now the next important point, till now it has used up to 4 octets to represent any characters. So I hope this is clear to you. Now Unicode 8 code point will be uh, having certain values or certain types of representation. For example, if we are writing u plus 0024, it means it is representing dollar. If we are using u plus 0041, it means it is representing A. If we are using u plus 0082, this means phi. One more thing, I am giving the code and I am giving that symbol. You are not supposed to learn these codes and these symbols. You must know the method only. The codes or the symbols will be given to you in your question form. Mostly these symbols are given with the code associated with it. You will get the symbol also, you will get this code also, and then after question will be formed that represent this symbol in the UTF-8 code system. So you have to solve this. This is the question only. This is the question, and in this question also you will not touch this u. You are not supposed to touch this u. In this code system you will take this only, and you will convert this in the octet form. So if the question comes that represent this in UTF-8, so you are not going to do anything with this. You are not going to do anything with this. You will take this number only and you will solve this number. So with the help of this only you will convert this in UTF-8. Now some more examples are and few more major points are also there. That before we proceed, let us recall UTF-8 is a variable length encoding system. It uses different numbers of bytes or octets, set of 8 bits, to represent the different characters. Following table 2.8 gives an idea about how many octets will be used to represent Unicode codes. Now in this how we will represent it. So this is the table given here. Now U0, so U127, U00 to U07F 1 octet. Like this it is given for 2 octet, 3 octet, 4 octet, and here ranges are given. You are not supposed to learn all these, but you must know that how and how we can consider this table in solving the questions as the questions are given. For example, octet 1, first thing, octet UTF-8 octet 1. So how will you solve this? Now in this octet 1, for 1 byte or 1 octet representation, UTF-8 uses the leftmost bit as control bit. For 8 representation you must know this table. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This first one is the control bit. This first one is the control bit and we will represent it with 0. So this is the control bit. This is fixed for this type of representation. In one octet we will make only one table, only one octet table of 8 bit. In this 8 bit first block is fixed, this is the control bit, and rest others we will use for the representation. Now in this, if we have one question. Now control bits are special bits that store the controls code and not the actual data. So this you have to remember. Now the question is like 0 to 127. This is the first representation, u plus 0024, u plus 0024. Now in this, what you have to do, binary equivalent of this number you have to follow, like 0024 you will represent it in the binary section, and you will get it in binary. Already the conversion of binary I have discussed with you, so I am writing here directly. When you will convert this 0024 in hexadecimal, it is, remember this point. So how will you convert this 2 and 4 in hexadecimal? So this table you remember 1, 2, 4 and 8. In this table you will consider this 4 and this 2 only. Now first I am representing 2, so 0 0 1 0, and this 4, so 0 1 0 0. So how I will represent this 2? I will write 0 0 1 0. Now how I will represent this 4? 0 1 0 0 0 0. You can see these are the 8 bits, so we can represent it this bit system in this table. So the equivalent is 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. You can see here 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 0 1 0 0. So 0 1 0, and if we will remove this 0, then this will not affect the value, so we can remove it clearly. So this is the representation. I have removed this 0, 0 1 0, 0 1 0, 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 0. So this number system is of hexadecimal conversion. You will convert it like this, and with this conversion you will write as it is, as downside the numbers, and then after you will join them and you will write like this. If 0 is there, you will remove the 0. If 1 is there, then you will proceed to the next octet, means 2 octet you will represent. So in this, represent this number 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. So this is the method by which we can represent the first octet number. Now with the help of second example, it will be more clear to you, like 0041. U plus 0041. This is the next example, and its symbol is A, this tilted A. So this is the symbol also given to us, and this is the code system also given to us, and they are telling us to represent this code system in UTF-8. So this is our duty to check that whether it will be coming in UTF-8 in which octet, we have to find in which octet it will be represented. So first you will consider the which part you will take it for the solutions. So you will take only this one 0041 0041. You must know this. This is the hexadecimal part. So for hexadecimal you will write the table, you will represent this 4, this 1. Now both these numbers you will write 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is the representation of this code in hexadecimal. Now 1 2 3 and 4 and 1 2 3, this 0 I am going to remove. Why this is? Because 0 at the beginning will not change the value, it is of no use. And one more thing, in the first octet we have only 8 blocks, and in that 8 blocks 1 is fixed. So we have only 7 blocks. So in 7 blocks we have 7 digits. So this number system will be represented in the first octet with the 7 blocks, like UTF-8 1 octet, first octet. Now in this we will draw the 8 bits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now you know this, that first cell is fixed, its value is 0. Now we will write this code system in this 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 1 1 2 3 4 5 and 1. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. This is the way by which we are representing the hexadecimal number system in octet 1. How we will represent it in octet 1, this we have to find. We will find it by the hexadecimal conversion, and we will represent it in octet 1, UTF-8. So that's all for today. In the next class I will discuss this again with few more examples, UTF-8, octet 2, octet 3 and octet 4 also. Thank you.